Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have a really fun layered papercraft for you. This is my Out of the Grave papercraft. I love this scene so much. You have that little zombie hand popping out of the grave. I love the gravestone there. It's kind of raining at the top, and there are some flowers there poking up from the dirt. Really fun. This might look like it's pretty intricate, but it actually comes together really fast. So let's go ahead and grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2024. If you're watching this during the event, head to the event page and find the download there. If you're watching this through the VIP Access Pass, you can find the download button below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has finished up, you can head to my shop to purchase the individual cut file at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. Or if you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, you can find out more information at thebeardedhousewife.com/WBPC2024. I have links in the description box for you to check them out. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure you download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our design has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this design to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12 by 12 cutting mat. As you can see, it's a little bit less than 11.5 inches high. If you're going to be making this project to put on a card or possibly put it in a shadow box, you can resize the design if you wish, but just make sure that the proportions are locked. That way you're not going to distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I know this looks like a lot of layers, but don't worry, I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all of this together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the white piece, dark blue, gray, blue, orange, green, red or burnt orange, and black. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put all of this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there we go. Our out of the grave layered papercraft is all set. How fun was this one? I could totally see this on a front door, or even size it down and put it on a card. There's so many different possibilities with this file. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through our Facebook group or through email, I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for me. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Bye-bye.